Hi, this is John Homeier with Section 5, performing the collapsing can experiment. Pressure is defined as force over area. The pressure outside a can is equal to the pressure inside the can, therefore the can does not collapse. But if I were to squeeze the can, causing greater pressure on the outside of the can than is inside the can will collapse. In this experiment, we will be using a kitchen tong, some hot water, a can of Mountain Dew, and a pot filled with cold water. Our first step is to add hot water into the can. We do that by adding 15 milliliters, which is 1 tablespoon, of warm water to the can. We then will heat the can on low heat. That way we do not burn the can. What we are doing here is creating the water to boil, which will cause vapor to leave the can, which will leave water vapor inside the can. We will then, once it's heated up, inadvertently put the can into the water. That causes a vacuum seal inside the can, causing low pressure to build up inside the can. Since we have low pressure inside the can will then collapse because the pressure outside the can is greater than the pressure inside the can. And that's what causes the can to collapse. We're just going to wait here for the can to start heating up. Once you start hearing it boil, you'll start hearing a crackle sound. You then want to wait 30 seconds, and then we'll inadvertently put the can into the water. Here we are now hearing the crackling sound. And you can start to see the water vapor leave the can. Now that the can is heated up, we've put it in, and the can is now collapsed. In all, in this experiment, you cover pressure. Pressure, again, is defined as force over area. The pressure outside the can is equal to the pressure inside the can. We then allowed for the water vapor to fill in the can by boiling the water. And when we inadvertently pushed it into the can, or into the water, the pressure inside the can then became a vacuum, causing low pressure to build up, and the pressure outside the can is now greater than the pressure inside, causing the can to collapse. I want to thank Mountain Dew for their can that we used today. And this has been the collapsing can experiment. Have a great day.